Next business speaker presentation is from the Swan Environmental Limited, the overview. So I request the Swan Environmental Limited to come on to the dais to present.
Good afternoon. I'm Vijay Kumar from Swan Environmental Private Limited. So our company started in 1988. The Swan name given with soil, water, air, noise. Art related this measuring instruments. That's how we started this company. And today we are a group of, 4 companies. So this is a group company now, Swan Environmental, Swan Biotech, Swan Scientific, Swan Technical Services. We have more than 36 partners worldwide. Most of them, we are the exclusive partners distributing all over India, their products, and more than 200 employees. Yeah, next please. So we cover complete environmental monitoring solutions. We have online monitoring system for ambient air and effluent water monitoring systems for ETP outlets and also STP outlets. And we have continuous emission monitoring for the stack gas monitoring. And we do have portable instruments, laboratory instruments for environmental, indoor, outdoor applications. And we also have water quality instruments and laboratory type, portable, field type products. And industrial hygiene and safety. Gas detection also we have. And industrial hygiene also, we are one of the leading solution providers. At a glance, these are the products for continuous ambient with a shelter system. We partnered with Horiba and Met1 USA. And SEMS, again, we have different partners from Finland, Japan. We give complete solution for emission monitoring. And effluent monitoring, we also have a complete reference method, online monitoring systems. And similarly, we have some air quality, odor monitoring, different online monitoring systems. Next, please. These are all the portable instruments for environmental, even ambient emissions, or quality monitoring with a compact size. Indoor air quality also very emerging subject for green buildings. We also have the product for that. Next, please. Water quality. The most important product which I am focusing today was TOC, Total Organic Carbon Analyzer. We are the distributor for Shimazu Corporation, Japan. Of course, we do have some USA, LAMAT, water analysis kits, field, and water level recorders. We did a hydrology project. We are there for 25 years in this line. Industrial hygiene and safety gas detection systems also we are in. Next. TOC is basically total organic carbon of organic content. So it's basically a total organic content in the water. So I can say this is the one parameter will tell you the water quality index. So we can classify, today this is a very important subject we should know since our water resources getting polluted day by day. Next, please. So these are the basic ambient water. It's surface water, rivers, lakes, sea, rain, groundwater. We depend on these waters. And due to anthropogenic activities, the water pollution is going up. It can be 2 categories. One is point source pollution, and that is non-point source pollution. Even natural organic matters in the environment can also contribute the water pollution. So I have today a stall here. We have made a pamphlet with complete information. You can collect this information also. Next, please. So I give TOC as a one parameter can help you to map your water quality, to see where the water quality is, how it can be used, and it can even classify into different categories on one parameter. And other countries, they have limits for TOC for the source water around 4 ppm, drinking water 2 ppm. Of course, drinking water in terms of disinfectant product control. When you are treating water, if you do the disinfection with the chlorine, and it can form a byproduct called trihalomethane, which is a carcinogenic. So to control that, in USA, 20 years back, they came with a rule that drinking water treatment TOC removal efficiency they have to monitor before they do the chlorination. So that is one important application. That's how these limits are being fixed. Next. So, of course, irrigation, it is a too far subject, but I can say it also has a very interesting applications. I'm not touching this here. Next. Drinking water, as I said, it's very important that I understand already in National Drinking Water Mission, they want to introduce TOC, also a parameter, and all the public health labs, they should monitor this in the interest. Since now in Japan, they have a direct limits for tap water. They call it 3 ppm now. That is the limits they are giving, which will tell on spot that water quality level. Wastewater. All the wastewater, TOC actually been introduced for wastewater applications. And it was an alternative for, as a rapid method for the BOD and COD. So this is how it has become very popular. And many parts of other world, they accept TOC monitoring as a continuous monitoring device for the efficiency monitoring of effluent water treatment plants. And I can say this, in Europe, they give 1/3 as a COD limit as a TOC. In Germany, they give more stringent 1/4 COD limit as a TOC limit. India also, I'm introducing this to our environment department's Center Pollution Control Board. They have now started taking this as a serious, and they have implemented, now given a draft copy, they given limits for pharmaceutical effluent water. They have given starting as a 70 ppm as a limit. Next. Similarly, solid waste. TOC has an importance in solid waste. Now, all the, ZLDs, zero liquid discharge, which makes biomass more as a solid, which you can get money on that also, if you know the applications of TOC in that. Next, please. So the technology is very important when you are taking TOC measurement. The key point is the efficiency of oxidation of the complete converting organics into CO2. That is the technology we always promoted, and it is worked very well. And we have that product also for display today here, laboratory product we have displayed here. Next, please. This is the product with a 680 degree conversion. We can go 4 ppb level to very high concentrate, 25,000 ppm with the same technology. That is the advantage with the Shimazu Corporation TOC. They are global leader now. So this is there for 4 decades with them. This is the 5th generation product they have. Of course, we have other water quality instruments, laboratory type, COD system. You can also make it very efficient method since, to reduce the human errors. These technologies are available based on US EPA methods. Next. Same BOD monitoring system with the manometric technique. This is also accepted method in India. Next. Portable spectrophotometer. We can design complete water analysis on the field. We can do any parameters you want with ready-to-use reagent system. Either you can have a spectrophotometer or a colorimeter. Next, please. Colorimeter basis also we have. Next, go ahead. So this is also very compact, waterproof type. You can carry to field and do the spot check of water quality. Next. This is another interesting product. It's called WaterSpin. We displayed here. This is more for drinking water. And with 1 ml of the drop, within 1 minute, I can test around 10 parameters in the water. So this is becoming very popular in USA and other countries. So in fact, we demonstrated this to in some program here last year also, this product. We do have this product for display. Next, please. This is a rapid total coliform and E. coli test, and without much infrastructure, without experts microbiology, anybody can test this. And it is USEPA approved, and also CPCB approved this technology. Next. One alternative is rapid biomass testing with the ATP technology. 2nd generation we have. This is also one of the, within 15 minutes, the bioburden in the effluents. Or we can also design biomass in the sludge, MLSS, the active microorganisms available. So you can improve the treatment of your treatment technology, by reducing the solid waste loadings. Next. This is the real-time monitoring based on TOC, COD, BOD monitoring. We only promoted this technology, though there are so many other UVS technology also emerged in India, but we believe this is the more accurate method and reliable method. And we already supplied a lot of these systems. Even in Telangana Pollution Control Board, we have installed here at Patinagar, the Nalla, which is going out. So we have one monitoring system here for past 2 years. It's already working. So they are planning more of this monitoring to make sure nobody is discharging the pollutants in this public, system. This is how we architecture it. We can add any parameter you want, like TSS, pH, conductivity, or total phosphate, or all these parameters we can give. So we do the complete system, and again, upload the data to pollution control boards, or Central Pollution or State Pollution Control Board. Next. There's another emerging technology. This is a new technology, UV fluorescence. This is also in remote locations where analyzer keeping is very difficult. In the river, you want a floated system or no facility at all. I suggest this type of technology also emerging. The advantage why I have selected this is not only COD, BOD, it also can measure total coliform, fecal coliform load, and real time. And also we can measure oil in water. So since everything possible with fluorescence, they have this technology emerged. We are bringing one unit for demonstration. Anybody is interested, we can do that also. Next. Water level monitoring is also important. And water resources, now many industry has to put water, we are using the groundwater. They have to make sure the recording of groundwater level and reporting in MOF is one of the requirement. And we have, with a telemetry system, we can continuously send the data. We did this in hydrology project. Even in a combined state, we supplied around 900 here. Now Telangana also has this water level monitor, but they are planning now in World Bank tender to go with more numbers. In industry also it is required, since we are doing a lot of water harvesting, and we have very good missions here like Mission Kakatiya to see how the groundwater is anything has improved. So this is one of the best technology we are providing. Next. This is in Andhra Pradesh. We did around 1,200 sites. They have, daily the CM monitors in the dashboard. You see the average value of the groundwater level improvements. Next. This is all what I have presentation today. Thank you for your patience, and please visit our stall during lunchtime or tea breaks times. Thank you very much, sir.